So this has been 13 years now that we've had the SIOY competition. So let's get started.
This is BioMe, and quite literally, this is the future cure to IBS and many other gastrointestinal diseases.
We are Salt Block Inoculum, and we are helping plants stand up to salt.
How did you guys get knowledge about this problem?
One of our co-founders is a farmer. He's been dealing with that issue for a long time.
I'm going to show you how with Quick Stick, one guy with a broom, a shovel, and a propane torch can make the same repair in just 10 minutes for $4 a foot.
8. All right, we got a winner.
51% of parking violations on college campuses go completely undetected. Our goal here at Spot Parking is to be able to reduce that number down to 0%.
Meet Lesion Insight, a machine learning powered solution to the problem of stroke symptom identification for use by doctors and hospitals.
We're Stratus, and we're revolutionizing healthcare with voice AI technology.
So at Melbus, we had 2 questions. 1, can we target cancer cells? And 2, once targeted, can we initiate the biological process of apoptosis?
Guys, it is your turn. Submit your vote using the QR code that is going to pop up here on the screens. And here it is, the 2024 Student Innovator of the Year, winning $12,000 is Spot Parking! All right, thank you to all the sponsors, thank you to our judges, thank you to SIOY participants. We'll see you next year.